Project scope is the part of project planning that involves determining and documenting a list of specific project goals, deliverables, tasks, costs and deadlines. The knowledge area of scope management includes the processes required to ensure that the project includes all the work, and only all the work required to complete the project successfully. It is primarily concerned with controlling what is and what is not in the scope. A scope management plan documents the process to evaluate whether or not a request is within the contract's scope. It defines how approved requests are prioritized and scheduled and explains the roles and responsibilities for each participant in the scope management process. When used properly, it helps effectively manage the triple constraint elements: time or schedule, budget and quality, as well as other factors. This is applicable to public, government and private organizations and projects. This helps prioritize and reduce ad hoc work requests, which can save time and money. This allows quantitative analysis to validate the need of an ad hoc request. Moreover, this facilitates productive communications with stakeholders and their team and serves as a tool to manage client expectations, workload balancing, and team morale. After planning the scope management, we now have to collect the requirements. This is the new process that includes gathering and documenting stakeholder needs and expectations. In addition, the process involves documenting project and product features and functions. To be successful in collecting stakeholder requirements, you must have tremendous facilitation skills to extract precise information. Vague requirements are a common reason for project failure. Therefore, it is critical for you to implement the collect requirements process accurately. The output of this process sets the foundation for cost, schedule, and quality planning. Since this is one of the most crucial processes in many organizations, the role of collecting requirements is called business analyst or business consultant. It is a highly specialized role. In an agile team, the product owner is usually responsible for collecting requirements. However, the Scrum Master is expected to participate. In such a setup, the person responsible for collecting requirements will usually not participate actively in other processes such as scheduling. Remember, as a project manager, you'll need to define project scope no matter what methodology you choose to use. Defining what is needed is the first step toward establishing a project timeline, setting of project goals and allocating project resources. These steps will help you to define the work that needs to be done, or in other words, define the scope of the project. Once this is defined, you'll be able to allocate tasks and give your team the direction they need to deliver the project on time and on budget. A work breakdown structure is a key project deliverable that organizes the team's work into manageable sections. It visually defines the scope into manageable chunks that a project team can understand, as each level of the work breakdown structure provides further definition and detail. The project team creates the project work breakdown structure by identifying the major functional deliverables and subdividing those deliverables into smaller systems and sub-deliverables. These sub-deliverables are further decomposed until a single person can be assigned. At this level, the specific work packages required to produce the sub-deliverable are identified and grouped together. The work package represents the list of tasks or to-dos to produce the specific unit of work. If you've seen detailed project schedules, then you'll recognize the tasks under the work package as the stuff people need to complete by a specific time and within a specific level of effort. Remember, the WBS is illustrative only. It is not intended to represent the full project scope of any specific project or to imply that this is the only way to organize a WBS on this type of project.